In the last lesson, we have discussed product in detail as one of the 4 P's of marketing. Whereas today we will discuss price as very important tool of marketing mix. Price means the value or the worth of a product that you give in order to sell your product. It can be monetary, it can be non-monetary. Monetary pricing means that when you are selling your product and in return you want something in cash or in currency form, dollar, euro or rupee. Whereas the non-monetary pricing means that when you give something to your colleague or your friend or your teacher, but in return you don't want anything in cash, rather you just need a word of appreciation, maybe just thank you. Initially, when we are giving price to our product, we can opt either of these two strategies. The first is price skimming and the next one is price penetration. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss price skimming in detail, whereas price penetration would be discussed in the next lecture. Price skimming means that you charge high price for your product compared to your competitor. Like you can see in the picture, there are 3 examples: Apple products, PlayStations and Tesla car. They are all opting the strategy of skimming. Now what are the reasons why you can opt the strategy of price skimming? If either of these reasons are available, you can easily go for price skimming. What are these reasons? Number 1, brand loyal customers, targeting upper class, innovative or unique product, inelastic demand. The first reason is customer loyalty or brand loyalty. What does it mean? That if your customer sticks to your brand over another and always goes for your brand, chooses your brand, you have an opportunity of charging price skimming. Like you have seen the Toyota lovers, they never go for Honda. The Coke lovers never go for Pepsi, so on and so forth. Second reason could be you are targeting the upper class. The people whom you want to sell your product are elite class, so it's not a big deal for them to buy the product at higher cost. The third reason is innovative or unique product. If you think and believe that your product has one of the features which is really innovative and unique, so based on these uniqueness and the innovative features, you can easily charge high price initially. Like you can see these 2 ice creams, the one which was launched by Polka initially as a chalk bar, that was very cheap ice cream. But later when Walls introduced the Feast, that was really expensive and people were ready to pay high for this ice cream based on the unique feature and taste. Another example is of car, Tesla. Based on these unique features, the Tesla is also going for marketing skimming. Unique features due to which Tesla price is higher, they are supercharging, sanitary mode, key card access, dog mode, free over-the-air updates, the frunk, etc. What is a dog mode? As you all know that if you want to keep your animal inside the car, when especially the car is in park mode, it's dangerous because the car warms up. So in order to keep its engine cool even when the car is in park mode, the Tesla has introduced a dog mode which can keep your animal safe. Key card access. It is just like a card that hotels are also offering. So what you have to do is just bring that card near to the door panel. Your door would be automatically opened, or you can also install the applications of Tesla in your phones through which you can open, unlock and lock the car. The frunk. The frunk is just another feature which is being offered by Tesla car, that in their trunk and in front they have the space to keep the luggage. Whereas their engine is concerned, they don't have any engine, They have just the electrical motor which is attached with their rear wheel. The last reason why you can charge price skimming is inelastic demand. If the demand of a product is not affected due to the change in price, then higher price can be charged easily. Like if I increase the price of my product and the demand remains constant, that means I have an inelastic demand for my product. So if my demand is inelastic, it is very rare, very important and very easy for me to charge high price. Especially it could be in the case of basic necessities or when you have a brand loyalty. So if your product has any of these reasons discussed above, you can easily opt the strategy of this marketing skimming. So that's all for today. The penetration would be discussed in the next lecture.